Alrighty, good morning. Today I'm going home for over the weekend, see my family and stuff. I'm excited. It's like 10 right now. Cheers. Here is the gym outfit. I'm just gonna go walk for a little bit because I just feel like I need to get moving. I'm gonna shower after I get back, so my hair looks really crazy, but whatever. Did you get the picture? So I did 30 minutes on the treadmill and then my little ab workout. I do it 3 times with like as minimal gaps in between. I try to do like 30 to 40 seconds. We are back from the gym. My abs actually look decent. I never actually trained them, so we're getting there. But I'm gonna make some breakfast before I shower and put all these clothes away that I hung dry, so let's go do that. Did my dishes and showered. I'm just going to, I'm so tired, like this isn't funny. I'm going to start packing. Also, I'm bringing, even though I'm only going for a short time, I'm bringing a checked bag and bringing home a bunch of my clothes that I've never worn because I have so many of them here and it's just taking up clutter, taking up space, and gonna make moving out way more difficult. Like, I'll show you. So I just did literally all my laundry. I have like no dirty clothes. There's no room to move anything and it's just completely packed with a bunch of stuff I don't wear. Essentially, I need to go through this whole thing and decide what I've not worn and bring all that home.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance.
This is bad. This is all the stuff just from my closet. I've been working through all this stuff and I'm gonna have a little protein drink. It's gonna be a mission putting all this into a suitcase. Honestly, I think I'm just gonna start packing with what I have right now and see how much room it takes up. I'm hoping, this is unrealistic, I'm hoping it doesn't fill up my whole checked bag aisle. Is gone. I packed it all up and some more. Feeling good. Now I have my carry-on too. I had a matching one, but I broke it, so. Okay, this is my makeup bag. It's really cute. This is my makeup bag. It's from Victoria's Secret. It looks really small, but it actually works so much better than my old one. I'm gonna show you. This is my old one. It's like a little Hello Kitty, but like this looks, I mean, I guess this is bigger, but since it's wider, it looks like it would fit more, but this is so much better. It looks like this on the inside, really nice, and it's meant for travel, so it hangs too. Get a little glow. Also, if you're wondering about why my jawline looks not jawlined at all, it's because all the bone degraded away. So this is that nice. I want to get like surgery or something, but jaw surgery is just really intense, so I don't really know what I should do. So if anyone has ever dealt with that, let me know.
I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow. I think I'll
Slay, that's all packed and ready to go. Now I'm gonna keep working on. This is like all the stuff I really need except technology stuff. I've decided on bringing some sweatshirts home because I quite literally am gonna show you today. This is my first stack. Entire bin. So I'm gonna bring these crew necks that are like for my sorority. Okay, I do feel like I have one too many black sweatshirts. Last time I'm just gonna bring some PJ shorts. Okay, we're all set. I'm all set to leave. Here's my outfit. I also have a sweatshirt with me, so yeah, I'm gonna order my Uber and get out of here.
I wish I knew how much I missed. I know.
So I got a burger, fries, ketchup, Sprite. It's really good. I literally haven't had a real food in so long, so this is so good.